Hi children, now our topic is addition up to 10. In previous class we have learned how to add 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Now going to the topic that is number combinations. Combinations means what? When we add two numbers, when we have to add up to the same number, means when we add two numbers, the number will be coming same number. Yes, when we add two numbers, means the 1 plus 0 it is there. 1 plus 0 it is there. 0, if you add any number to the 0, same number will come. See here, for example, 1 plus 0 it is there. If you add any number to 0, what will come? Same number, 1 only will come. Or 0 plus 1 also, 1 only will come. Okay. Here also some examples are there. What is this? Circles is there. What is this circle? How many circles are there? 1 only. 1 plus still any are there? 0 is equal to, oh, I have thought now only 1. Here, how many I have shaded? 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 only. Yes. Here I did not shade. I shaded only 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 only, or 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 only. This is a combination of 1 digit number. Again 2 digit. How many I have shaded here? Nothing I shaded. How many circles are there? 2. 2 plus, I did not shade any circle, no? 0. Means 2 plus 0, what number will come? 2 only. Yes. Again here how many I have shaded? Yes. 1 plus, how many? 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Yes. Here how many I have shaded here? Nothing I have shaded. How many are there still here? 2 plus, did I shaded any number? No. What will come? 0. Children, again I will explain combination of 2. Here 2 circles are there. How many shaded parts are there? Nothing is there. 2 plus nothing is there means you think that is 0. 2 plus 0, 0 no value, no, same number will be coming. Again here, how many circles are there? 2 are there. In that how many have shaded? First shaded part, what is that? First one, what is that? 1. Again shaded part, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Again here 2 circles are there. Any shaded parts are there? No. First shaded part, nothing is there, no. 0 plus, how many are there? Only circles 2. 0 plus 2, what will come? 2 only. Yes, again combination of 3. Here how many are there? Circles 3. 3. How many shaded parts are there? 0. Yes. 3 plus 0, what will come? 3 only. Yes. Here how many circles are there again? 3. In this, without shading part, how many are there? 2. Again plus, how many shaded part are there? Only 1. That means number is decreasing. 2 plus 1, how much? 2 plus 1, 3. Yes. Again in this also 3 numbers are there. How many? Which is shaded? Without shaded part, what is that? 1. Yes. Plus, again shaded parts, how many are there? 2. Yes. Number it is decreasing. No children, see here. 1 it came, again 2 it came, again 2 plus 1, 3 only. Yes. Here 3 circles are shaded parts only. Yes. You have to write 0 plus, Here how many parts are there? 3 circles are there. Without shading, how many are there? 0. 0. How many shading parts are there? 3. Plus 3. Again 0 plus 3 also, 3 only will be coming. Again I will explain this one more. Children, combination of 6 now. Here without shading parts, how many are there? Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here any shading part is not there. Plus 6 plus 0 is equal to how much? Same number will be coming, 6 only. Here 6 are there, 6 circles. Without shading part how many? Count without shading part 1. 6 no, same numbers came. See here children again, how many part without shading parts? 6. 6 plus 0, 6 only. Here how many without shading parts? 5. 5 plus shading part 1. Here numbers are going on decreasing in first numbers. Here see again, without shading parts 4 are there. Again shading parts 2, same it came. Again without shading parts 3. Shading parts 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Here without shading parts 2. Shading parts how many are there? 4, 6. Here 1 it is there without shading parts. Again with shading parts 5 are there. 5 plus 1, 6. Here without all shading parts are there means 0. Plus how many shading parts are there? 6. Number here first numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number it is going on decreasing only. Again combination of 9. Now how many are there circles here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here no, any circle is not shaded. 0 plus, no, 9 plus 0 is equal to what will come? Same number, that is 9. Yes, here how many without shading parts? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Shading part 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Again without shading parts here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus without shading parts how many are there? 1, 2. 7 plus 2 how much? 9. Here shading without shading parts how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus how many are shading parts are there? 1, 2, 3. How you will count these 6 in the mind? Again 3 in your fingers. You know, in previous class I have taught you. What will come? Same number 9. Again without shading parts, count here children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Shading parts 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5 plus 4 how much? 9. Here without shading parts 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Plus without shading parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 4 plus 5 also 9 it will come. Without shading parts 1, 2, 3. 3 plus shading parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 3 plus 6, 9 only. Here shading parts, without shading parts 1, 2. Plus without shading parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Without shading part 1 only it is there. Plus shading parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here without shading parts not there. What will come? 0. Plus how many shading parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 plus 9 how much children? 9 only. Here also see in a combination of 9 number is going on decreasing. No, see 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. In your textbook see here children, 9 plus 0, 9 only it came. Again 0 plus 9 also 9 only it came. If you change the order, answer will be same only. Here you see for second one, 8 plus 1, what it came? Answer 9 only. Again 1 plus 8 also 9 only. Here 7 plus 2 9. Again 2 plus 7 9. No, if you add any number, number will be not changing. Same number will be there. Again see here in your textbook I have explained this. So, combination of 6 explained and 9 also I explained. Now page number 40 and 41, combination of 7 and 9 you write in your textbook. Children, now go into the next topic, that is word problems. Word problem means what? Here some what is this word? THERE. This is a word. From words only we can make sentence. No. What is this sentence? This called as a word problems. In this word problems only we have some numbers. In previous only single digits, 3 digits numbers he added. Now in the form of word problems you should, in sentence some numbers will be there, that numbers you should be counting. Now see here, look at the board. There are 5 apples in the basket. Here basket is there. No, how many apples are there in this basket? Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to write here 5. Yes, there are 2 apples outside. Outside the basket how many apples are there? 1, 2 plus 2. There are dash apples in all, means you don't know this blank. What you have to do? You have to count these 2 numbers. 5 plus 2 from 5 where you got? In the sentence 5 apples are there. These 5 you should write here. Again this 2 from where you got? There are 2 apples. Here 2 is there, no number 2. That's why we have written. Here blank we don't know what is the answer. Now we should count these 2 numbers. In these 2 numbers, which is a big number? 5. 5 in the mind, again 2 in your fingers. 5 after 6, 7. What is the answer you got? 7. In this blank what you have to write? 7 means total how many apples are there? 7 apples. Now count how many are there, these total apples outside and inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got no children? Answer total. What is the answer? 7. Yes. Again going to the next one, that is also a word problem. There are 2 glasses at one place, means at one place here 2 glasses. You have to write what number here? 2. Yes. Again there are 3 glasses at another place, means here how many glasses are there? 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Yes. There are dash glasses in all, means we don't know how many glasses are there total, means you should count 2 plus 3. Now count in these 2 numbers which is a big number. Yes, 3 is a big number. Again 2 in your fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Here in blank 5 and answer will be coming 5. Now count these total glasses, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes children, in page number 42 and 43 some word problems are there related to these 2 only. Same like this only. I will send the pics. You do in your textbook. Thank you.